Morning people. Today's question I gotta remove the gas railer because them two injectors are black up, you see me? Two inside one them. So yeah, I will change them, you know. From the other day the machine I miss. And I move like it want to shut off and the electrician show me say them two are not fire, you see me? So now they know pull off the gas rail, put in the other two when I get for purchase yesterday. I change all the coil wire and everything. Yeah, you know? So it go. Yeah man, the people, we take them out still, you know? Yeah man. And the edge of them look really terrible, you know? Put in the other two still. What I do, I put the carb spray on the tip of the existing one them fire, you know? Clean them off. See me? Well, then put in back. One click and we start. Done it, and see it then. Oh, I need to connect back the air hose them, you know. So it run so fast, you see me? Alright. See it? One connection of the air hose. Good to go. Just like that.